Morning, children. Today we are going to start a very interesting topic, S and Z sounds. S, sit, box, cat. And Z letter sound, zip, buzz, boys. The voiceless S sound, it can be found in English words such as said, sit, box, cat, face. And the voiced sound Z, it can be found in English words such as zip, exit, buzz, boys, his, was. Now, S letter is voiceless or unvoiced, while Z letter it is voiced. In both, sounds are produced in front part of the mouth. When you make these sound, your lip will slightly open. Your teeth should slightly touch in front or be very close. When you are making S and Z sound, air is pushed down the center of your tongue and between the tip of your tongue and your top teeth. The movement of the air makes the S and Z sound. When you produce Z sound, your vocal cord, it vibrates. That's why it is called a voiced sound. The S sound is a hissing sound like a snake. Like a snake makes a sound of hissing, in the same way S letter makes that sound. The Z sound is like the sound of buzzing bee, the sound which is made by the bee. Now S sound, it is voiceless sound because why S letter produces voiceless sound? Because in this vocal cords it don't produce the sound. Means the vocal cord it don't vibrates, while Z it or Z it is voiced sound because when you produce the sound, your vocal cord it vibrates. Let's produce the sound of Z letter. Z. You can feel that your vocal cord it is vibrating, while when you mix the sound of S letter, its sound is Ssss. You can feel the difference between both the sound. Now let's practice some words. Let's practice the voiceless S sound. Say, sad, so, sits, sound, sister, cats, lips. We can see that all these words they produces voiceless S sound. Now in next line I am taking the example of device. Device. See, it is producing voiceless S sound, though its spelling is DEVICE. In the same way, we can take the example of mistake. It again produces the voiceless sound S. Let's move further. Now let us practice Z voiced sound words. Zip. We can feel that our vocal cord it is vibrating. Zoom, was, use, bags, please, quiz. In all these words we can feel that our vocal cord is vibrating. In the same way we can practice rest of the words which are given. Let's take here an example of has. Has word is written over there. It's spelled as HAS, though it has S at last, but it produces the voiced sound of Z letter. Z has. We can feel that our vocal cord, it is moving. Now children, this topic was in reference with your first chapter, that is the Ice Cream Man poem. And the question related to this topic is on page number 5. So you will practice that. Thank you.